I think for me, poetry was an outlet. Sometimes you are struggling so bad that you can't even articulate how you're feeling. Sometimes it is just, help me. Like, I can't, like, there is nothing I can do. There's nothing I can say. Just the point is that I'm just terrified.
The nights are always the worst. The silence howls in grief. Just one of the poems Liv was inspired to write as a coping mechanism for her own mental health struggles.
What was it like having your work published in the first lockdown at the age of 16?
I found that I had this passion and I thought what's the worst that could happen realistically? So that was definitely crazy. And the fact that it was in lockdown, like that was definitely something that really, because I had all this time to get everything together, and that was the big push for me. So I am actually I'm quite thankful for that lockdown, because I don't know if I actually would have done it.
I'm so scared. Help me. The hope is this book will now help others.
So many people, unfortunately, do have things like depression and anxiety. Still, there are certain aspects where people aren't very empathetic towards, the symptoms of that. Depression isn't just laying in your bed and not doing anything, or just feeling a little bit sad. And anxiety isn't just getting a little bit worried now and then. It can really, really immobilize people.
Liv says that help is always available, but wants to ensure that there's no shame in asking for it. Vicky Carter, BBC Channel Islands News, Guernsey.